Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to test your attention with a quick calculation but full of detail. It seems easy at first, but a small mistake changes everything, so stay tuned until the end. Now you know the correct answer. If you got it right, comment below. If you got it wrong, don't worry. This type of expression tricks many people. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel and follow the upcoming challenges. See you in the next video.